Hello everyone, welcome back. I am back in the hayfield. We put this hay up a month ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that. And we've been busy and haven't really got a chance to get back down here and get any, haul it in. Really good hay. I'd like to put it in the dry. But you just do what you can do, and I didn't get back down here and get it. So I come down today to get a few rows. Calves are out. We got them in a lot. So that I decided I'd come down to get a few rows for them. And I'm using the John Deere, which is not the best hay moving tractor in the world, but all this hay will be fed this fall winter. So maybe we'll get we put the other field in the dry, but we didn't get this one in the dry. So that's just part of it. But I'm gonna get probably 4 rows, take them home, and feed them calves. So we'll get loaded up here. The grass is looking green, looking good. Starting to get some rain on it. It's starting to grow a little bit. It's yeah, it looks a little thin, but it still looks pretty good. So someone's been in the field down there. I'm gonna go down there and see what's been going on there. So let's get this loaded and get back to the house. Okay, we're loaded. You can see that's pretty good grass, pretty good hay. It looks a little bleached on the outside where it's been raining on it, but ain't nothing we can do about that. And it has been raining today. The goal was, get in this nasty truck here. The goal was to set some broccoli and cabbage today, but like I said, it's raining, so we are not doing that. And be interesting to see how this does. I've never quite hauled it with the tractor that far back on the trailer. But anyhow, so I'm taking tomorrow off. I'm going to reward Levi, my son, for a 6th grade straight A report card. And so I'm gonna reward him. Me and his mother are gonna reward him tomorrow for that. And so I'm gonna take tomorrow off work, and we asked him what he wanted to do, and he told us, so we're going to do that tomorrow. So a little mean going out of here. There's 7/10 of a mile, and I'll turn the camera around here in just a second and show you where we put this hay up. This is my wife's family's farm. You can see what we're contending with, and it gets woolly on down through here. It's narrow, and there's trees overgrown and everything else. But anyhow, we get this thing out of 4 low. I'm gonna leave it 4 high though, just so we don't do any slipping and sliding. Like I said, it's 7/10 of a mile out here. But so yeah, we've got about, I don't know, after looking at the corn ground left, I think we got close to 3 acres of corn to plant, and we got about 2 acres of broccoli and cabbage. So we did have a heavy rain event today. Part of our corn was underwater briefly, but it was just from rainfall. It wasn't a stream, so I think we'll be all right. I hope we will anyhow. So right here is what I'm talking about, if you can see that. So yeah, we got 7/10 of a mile of this. Anyhow, so hopefully we're gonna have to wait for the ground to dry up a little bit before we can get into that. I have got to get some fencing done. That's one reason I'm having to move hay, is unfortunately we're out of grass in one of the pastures, and I've got pasture. I just got to get the fencing done on it. It's not really the work, it's just getting the time to do it is what's killing me on a lot of things. So, and yeah, I'm taking tomorrow off, but it's wet. I could be fencing, but kid made straight A's, 6th grade, we're going to reward him. So that's that. But anyhow, if you like what we're doing, please subscribe. If see a video you like or whatever, please let us know. And I'm going to give you a little footage of the trailer riding out. So enjoy this footage, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. that's the ride out. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll talk to you guys later.